Hey everyone, so we are doing Meesho short kurti haul for petites. So if you are a short girl like me who's 5 feet tall, then this video might be helpful for you. So the very first one we have is this long white chikankari kurti. Yes, I have just said it is going to be a short kurti haul, but I have to include this particular kurti in this haul because I loved it so much. So my size is XS in this and I got this for rupees 547. It has this very soft cotton fabric. The length is perfect. It has this beautiful thread embroidery. I've seen such kurtis in Myntra and it is pretty expensive there. To be very honest, when I ordered this, I didn't expect it to be this good. Just that it is a bit see-through, so you have to wear a nude bra with this. Other than that, it is perfect for summers. I really love it, so would definitely give this a solid 10 on 10. Then we have this beautiful orange color corset back kurti. I love the color of this one. My size is S in this and I got this for rupees 294. The material is cotton, a very soft cotton. I love the corset detailing and the crisscross back it has. Gives such a pretty look to it. It gives festive vibe to it. Very vibrant. I love the color of this one. The length is so perfect and the fit is again perfect. It has this golden gota patti detailing. Or overall would give this a solid 9 out of 10. Okay, so the next one we have is this Ajrak print black corset kurti. My size is S in this and I got this for rupees 314. You must have seen this quite a lot as it is a quite famous kurti. But my first order for this got cancelled, so second time I got this. I would say it is a pretty kurti. I really like this one. It has this pretty big bell sleeves. The fabric is cotton, the length is perfect. And I love the corset back detailing it has. It makes such a huge difference, for the fit. Not a big fan of this tie-up detailing, the neck detailing, but it is quite trendy these days. So other than that, I really like this one, so would give this a solid 9 out of 10. Okay, then we have this pretty backless white kurti. My size is XS in this and I got this for rupees 570. So the design is a bit different from the picture, as in picture you won't be able to see the shell detailing, which in real it has, but no complaints as this has such a soft cotton material. It is extremely soft, has lining inside. Rest of the design is same though. It is a bit see-through, needed to be wear a nude bra underneath this. The fit is amazing, the length is perfect, so overall would give this a solid 8 out of 10. Okay, next up we have is this halter neck solid black kurti. My size is S in this and I got this for rupees 261. The material is rayon, it is extremely soft. I really like the fit of this one. The length could be a bit shorter for my liking, but again it still works. Definitely a casual kurti. One more thing, it is a bit see-through, but because it is a black color, so it is not that evident while wearing this, but definitely wear a black bra underneath this. So overall would give this a solid 8 out of 10. Then we have this solid maroon short kurti. My size is S in this and I got this for rupees 215. The fabric is rayon, the length and the fit is quite amazing. Has this bell sleeves. The V-neck detailing is just so perfect. Sometimes they give that, weird looking V-neck, which is not at all flattering, but this one is really nice. Perfect for office and casual wear, so would definitely give this a solid 8 out of 10. Then we have this solid sleeveless short kurti. My size is S in this and I got this for rupees 265. The color in the picture is this muted brown sort of a color, but in real it is more of an earthy tone orange color, very subtle and classy looking. The fabric is rayon. The fit is kind of a boxy fit but fine. Has this boat neck. The length is perfect, so it is perfect for office and casual wears, so would give this a solid 7 out of 10. So now I will share some kurtis which were lengthwise perfect, material wise also fine, but I didn't like it at all because of the fit I would say, but if you like it then you can definitely go for these ones. Now I have kurtis which I didn't like it at all. The length and the fit was quite off, so here are these. Okay, now I have a special kurti which you again must have seen a zillion times on Meesho. Has this Angarakha pattern which is quite classy, but unfortunately I didn't like it at all cause it is just so uncomfortable to wear. I had quite high expectations from this one. I really like the color, the length, material and everything. just that it is so uncomfortable, just not sitting right well with the body. So definitely a disappointment. So being a short girl, finding a short kurti might not as hard as finding a good pair of denim, but it's still hard as most of the short kurtis doesn't fit as short as we like, and the overall fit in general. So keeping that in mind, these kurtis I've got has definitely exceeded my expectations. I really like quite a few of them, so here are my favorites. Do let me know which one you like the most. We'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye.